Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to discuss about class 10th chemistry chemical equations. You can say it's in a physics chapter only in chemical equations. In this chapter I'm going to discuss about MCQ questions like objective questions, which is the very important for examinations. On whatever important MCQ is present in this textbook or in this chapter we will discuss. So let us see our MCQ questions. So here it's a MCQ question is given. Okay, so this is not a part, it's a right here part B, but it's not. So here are some MCQ question which is already come to the exam. So let us see in board exams, you can say it's a public exam also. So let us see the which type of questions is came in exam, and whatever left is we will practice. Okay, so I will show you. So choose the correct answer and write in the letter in the bracket. So we have to write in bracket, just I take it and you have to practice it. Okay, so question number 1, if the gas liberated in the experiment allows to the burning splint to the continue burning more brightly in its presence, the glass is a oxygen. So okay, I take with the pen because already taken in the book, so that's a pen. So let us see which is wrong and which is the right. So let us see. So number of the moles of the oxygens needed to the product 4 moles of water on the reacting with the 4 moles of the hydrogen gas is, okay, so 2 moles. Okay, so reactants that take place when quicklime is added to the water is C, heat liberating reactions. Question number 4, the balanced chemical equations among the following is, in this which is the balanced chemical equation? B, because 2 sodium here, 2 sodium here, zinc is here, 1 zinc, oxygen 2 here, so oxygen 2, hydrogen 2 here, also hydrogen 2. So it is already it's balanced. Option 2 is a correct one. So let us see question number 5. Solution of a copper sulfate, iron sulfate and a sodium sulfate are the marked as X, Y and Z respectively. Few pieces of the aluminium are added to the each solutions. In this solution change will be observed. Okay, so option A, X or Y. In the X and Y it's changing will be observed. So the balanced chemical equations of, in this which is the balanced chemical equations we have to take it. Okay, so in this D, option D is the balanced chemical equation. 2Ag, 2Ag, chloride and Cl2 sunlight in the presence of, this is the correct one. 2Cl, 2Cl, 2Ag, 2Ag. Alright, it is already balanced. So which of the following is balanced equation? In this which is the following is the balanced equation? You have to see. If you see question number D, okay, so calcium is here, oxygen is 2 and here 2, here 1 and here 2, so this is 3 and calcium here. Okay, so this is option D. Option D is the balanced chemical equations. Okay, so let us see now. So now if I come here, we see here lots of already it's a ticket, some people are ticket here, so it's okay, no problem. Which is the correct one I will tell you. So which is right, which is correct, I show you in this chapter. So let us see which of the following is correct. In this which is the correct? Okay, so in this C is only correct, this C is the correct one. Okay, now so let's see. Downwards arrows in the chemical equation indicate, in this downwards arrow which indicated C about, this is only correct. So which of the following is alkylating reaction? Which is this in the following is alkylating reaction? So option A. Okay, so question number, the chemical reaction in which energy is absorbed to the form of a new compound is called, okay, so it's called B, endothermic reactions. The substances that are present on the left side of the chemical equations are called A, reactants. Okay, the chemical equation should be balanced because the law of should be verified. Okay, in this which is the correct one? You have to say like, so option B, conversion of a mass. Okay, so question number C, C plus O2 give rise to CO2 plus, and this is something O3 will be, and O3 will be O2 or O5 something, I am not remember what is given here. So this is called, it is called as exothermic. Okay, now so the 7th one it's called as exothermic only. So option C. Let us see the next question. COOH2 plus CO2 give rise to CaCO3 plus H2O. In this reaction shiny finish to the wall in the due to the, so in this B, calcium oxide, already it's ticket here. So zinc plus AgNO3 give rise to GnNO3 plus O2G, balanced it. So if you balance it, you get it's option B. Option B is the correct one. Okay, so if the some amount of energy is released in the chemical reaction, then it's a called dash reaction. Which is the called reaction? This reaction is called as a exothermic reactions. Preparation is the reactants in which indicate at by the which allo mark is known as its C. In this C is the correct one. Okay, so skeleton equations means that option B. And on balanced chemical equations. Question number 14. In the chemical equations, how can we express the physical state of a solid, liquid and gases? Okay, so in option C. Aqueous means, what is the mean by aqueous here? So substance in water. Aqueous means substance in a water. Okay, so aqueous indicate in the chemical equations is C, AQ. It is represented by AQ. The reactants in which the heat is released, exothermic reaction. In option A, exothermic reaction. Okay, so let us see the next one. Okay, so let us see question number 18. 1 gram moles value of a gas occupy क्या है कि occupy है. Okay, so question number 18, it's a B. 22.4 liters. STP condition. What is the STP conditions? Okay, so option A, 273 K 1 bar. Okay, so net of exothermic reactions. So what is the net of the exothermic options? It's C. Okay, so the number of moles present in the 1 kg of hydrogen. How many numbers are present in B? Right, 3 into 32 3 into 10 to the power 23. Right. So H2O plus this is O2, this is not Y. O2 is give rise to 2H2O plus the value of X, Y, Z, R. So alright, so it will be B. B1 is the correct one. So which one is the necessary to the test for the hydrogen gas? Which is the necessary? Okay, so that's C, burning stick. Okay, a student add a dilute HCl to the test that tube to the conditions to Jeden gradually and made a following observation. So which is the correct one is like 24. You can say it's B. Okay, C in the option 2 and 3 is the correct one in this. Okay, so now let us see the question number 25. So the chemical reaction is, which is the chemical reaction in this? Okay, so B. And question number 6, X indicate in this, which is the X indicate what? X is indicate what? Okay, so X is indicate metal, something metal is given. Okay, in the downside. Question number 27, Al plus Fe to give rise to Al2O3 and Fe. F34 gram was the given end of the amount of aluminium required to get 120 grams of iron is. Okay, so it's 540 grams you can find. So 10 gram of hydrogen contain molecules. If 2 gram of hydrogen contain 2.0 to 10 to the power 23 molecules, then it will be B. Okay, 3.10 into 10 to the power of 21. Okay, and it is our answer. So finally our chapter 2 chemical equations is whatever MCQ is present in that, so it's completed. So in the next chapter we will discuss about acid, base and salt MCQ questions, and now that's only, and whatever questions are left we will practice and we will see in this next video. So let us see our videos and something as well as we will practice. So thank you so much and keep going, and Jai Hind.